Racing just started. One horse came out of the gate a little bit late, and that is Stonehole. Passing by the judge stand for the first time with Don Alejandro by about 3 lengths. Indelible Ink is right there in second. Kai Jason comes next, Smile and Joy, while Stonehole is the early trailer and going along for the first turn with Don Alejandro by about 5 lengths. Indelible Ink in second. Down into the sky, Jason moving up now to take third. Stonehole, while Smile and Joy now running in fifth. Half mile distance, they travel with Don Alejandro by about 5 lengths. Indelible Ink still in second. Kai Jason remains in third, then followed by entry with two Stonehole, while Smile and Joy is still running at the tail of the field. Another part turn, Don Alejandro moving up down inside is Indelible Ink to take the lead with Indelible Ink. This time with a breakaway run by about 5 lengths. Running back in second is entry number 3, Don Alejandro. Kai Jason comes next, Stonehole and Smile and Joy. And Diana entering the home stretch with Indelible Ink. This time by about 7 lengths. Climbing in second is Don Alejandro, moving at the outside. Kai Jason with about 50 meters at the race. It's all Indelible Ink. Second, Don Alejandro.
Okay. 4-3-5. Malayang nanalo itong si Indelible Ink.
That's Jackie Jeff Tagulaw Sarate going back to the skins. 1